Alright, time to make the Californication. What you're gonna need is vodka, orange rinds, watermelon puree or watermelon juice, fresh lime juice, simple syrup, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. And so what we're gonna do is like peel about 4 orange rinds, and what I like to do is peel 4, because we're gonna make orange infused vodka right now. And all you really have to do is just squeeze the orange rinds into the about 2 ounces of vodka into the shaker, and then just shake hard for 7 seconds. And then you're gonna put 1.5 ounces of watermelon juice, and then you're gonna put 3/4 ounces of fresh lime juice, so it's like about 1 lime. And then you're gonna put about 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and then just a pinch of cayenne pepper. And then you're gonna get 2 heaping cups of ice cubes and throw it into the shaker, and then you're gonna shake it hard for 7 seconds, and then just dump it all into the cup. And then for the garnish, I'm gonna put like about 1/2 ounce of cucumber juice, a little over 1/2 ounce of cucumber juice, and then a fresh mint sprig. And that's it, guys. That's the orange infused vodka and watermelon with cayenne and cucumber, known as the Californication.